new feature is for agency admins. Anybody that has agency admin rights now at the agency will be able to go into user profiles. And just for review, how I got into this particular user profile is users. All users select the user profile that I would like and go into the preferences tab. Now what you're going to notice, and this is up to you if you want to choose this option or not, but there's now an option to elect to have a note, a system generated note, appear anytime that this particular user is accessing a client or accessing a policy. So let me show you what that would look like in the system. If you do elect to have the system generated notes, you'll see over on the right for the screen in the notes section, there's a note here indicating that this particular user accessed the client, and it'll have a time date stamp and accessed, that's still client, and accessed the policy. So we hope that you will find this change useful for keeping track of who's accessing clients and policies at your agency. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us either via chat or by clicking the help icon. You'll see other methods of contacting us as well.